Hi guys, Pooja this side from team myglobaluni, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how we are going to make your study abroad plans go easy and smooth. So, we all know that for many students, studying abroad has been the means to gain new perspectives in life, receiving top-notch education quality, and finally finding the best career choices for themselves. But right from choosing the correct university in their targeted study abroad destination to managing the required finances and finally applying for a visa can make it very difficult for you. So, in an effort to make it all convenient and easy for you, we at My Global Uni have launched an AI course finder, that is an adaptive search engine which is going to help you to look for that one course option most suitable for your profile from 1000 different course options available in 100 plus universities in top study abroad destinations like Australia, Canada, UK, Ireland, Finland, and France. So, let me tell you how this AI course finder works. First, select your targeted study abroad destination. Second, tell us which course you want to study. Third, what were your previous academics? Fourth, what extracurriculars you had. Fifth, how many years of work experience you have. And last, which English exam you have prepared or preparing for. And that is it. That is how you get the perfect list for course option and universities suitable for your profile. And that is how you just completed one step towards fulfilling your dreams of studying abroad. So if you liked this video and found it informative, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, do press the bell icon to never miss out a video from us, and also make sure to check our website. Thank you.